everyone, today I'll teach you how to make this paper boat. So do you want to learn how to make this paper boat? So this video is for you, those who want to learn this. So you can watch this video till the end. And this is a paper boat. I have used craft paper, so it is available in online also, and for in the shop also. For practice you can use different papers, like waste papers also you can use, or newspapers also you can use. So this you can make it. It's very easy, and in this video I am going to teach step by step, so you can learn it, and please watch till the end. Boat is ready. So now you can make this, and you can also make videos, and you can teach your friends also how to make this. And please, if you like my videos, please share with your friends. And if you want to learn many more videos about paper crafting, then you can drop your comments, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos.